Me, I drink pine and ginger. And mommy feel wine pan a thing and me no play that. Me, I drink pine and ginger. And mommy feel wine pan a thing and me no play that. And mouth the rum and all the sorrow.
Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how to do box braids on straight hair. So to start, you're gonna have to use an edge control or a gel that is pretty resistant and pretty hard. I'm using this edge control. It's pretty thick and helping to get a grip on the hair when you want to box braid. So I'm gonna apply it to the whole part that I just did now, and then after I'm just gonna basically make the box. Then I'm gonna attach the hair away and make sure with the straight hair that you only have the hair from the box you made. Then you're gonna take the synthetic hair and you're just gonna put them in a 3-layer, just like I did in my other box braid videos. Basically, you take 1/3 of the hair that you have to do the braid and you just put it over as like a hook on the braiding hair, just like that. And then what you want to do is actually just hold it like if you were braiding those hair, but you're gonna use the box of hair that you just took, that you just traced on the hair. You're just gonna put it with the hook hair part of the extension, and then you're just gonna braid it and make sure that you braid tight and up, because if you braid towards down, it's just gonna make the braid slip. Like, it's really gonna slip because it's straight hair. No matter what, it's gonna slip a little bit. And now I'm just gonna show you a couple more times how to do it, and I'm gonna leave you until the end of the video. I really appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you on the next video.